In the vibrant city of Hangzhou, at the heart of China Vision Valley, a revolution is unfolding. Shining 3D is dedicated to advancing the frontiers of technology, empowering machines to comprehend the world. At the core of our mission is supporting the intelligent Internet of Things, IoT ecosystem, and catalyzing a safer, more convenient, and higher quality work and living environment. Hangzhou is our canvas, and we're painting it with the hues of innovation, shaping it into the first city of visual intelligence. Founded in 2004, Shining 3D has been unwavering in its commitment to high-accuracy 3D vision technology. With over a decade of experience, we've consistently invested 20% of our revenue into research and development, fostering a culture of innovation and excellence. Nearly 40% of our talented workforce drives our research and development endeavors, fueling our ascent to international acclaim as a leading brand in high-accuracy 3D digital products. Shining 3D's high-accuracy 3D vision technology focuses on two key domains: high-accuracy industrial 3D scanning and digital dentistry. We drive high-quality development across industries. Our solutions address the precision control and inspection needs of high-end manufacturing. In the digital dentistry and medical sectors, we deliver visual, quantifiable, and intelligent precision diagnosis and treatment solutions. We go beyond the realm of industry, fostering the digital development of culture, art, forensics, politics, and education. By acquiring high-fidelity 3D digital models of objects, we push the boundaries of high-accuracy 3D vision technology, continuously expanding its applications. Quality is our hallmark, as we strictly adhere to international standards, safety regulations, and precision benchmarks to ensure product performance, quality, and safety. Our products are available in over 100 countries and regions.
And we maintain offices and localized teams in Hong Kong, Tokyo, Japan, Germany, Stuttgart, Spain, California, Florida. With Shining teams proficient in over 12 languages, we provide comprehensive service to users and partners worldwide.
Enhancing efficiency, improving quality, and minimizing losses through our high-accuracy 3D scanning products. As we journey forward, we remain committed to creating value for our global customers. At Shining 3D, our focus is on enhancing visual intelligence, promoting progress, and illuminating a brighter future for all.